Hello children, today we are going to start with chapter 2, that is parallels and meridian. So in this chapter we will study about the shape of the earth, which is round like sphere. We use spherical models which is called globe, and for the purpose to study about the two extreme ends of the spherical model are marked with north pole and south pole. They are the two fixed points. North pole is the northernmost point of the globe and south pole is the southernmost point of the globe, and we have many circles and semicircular circle lines on the globe, right? So we have equator. Let me show you here. This is your earth. We have 0 degree equator over here. It's divide the earth into two equal parts. Above the equator it is northern hemisphere, and below the equator to the south is southern hemisphere. ये अर्थ को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है, southern hemisphere में और northern hemisphere में. So let's study about the parallels. What are parallels? These are the lines of latitudes. What are parallels? These are the lines of latitudes. Relative line होती है, right? Like we have Earth. This is 0 degree equator. This is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle or Antarctic Circle. These are the lines of latitudes. Let me mark them over here. This is equator, 0 degree. Tropic of Cancer, this is Tropic of Capricorn, this is Antarctic Circle, and this is Arctic, right? And this is North Pole, and this is South Pole. It is 23 and a half. South, this is 23 and a half. North, it is 66 and a half. North, and it is 66 and a half. South, right? This is 90 degree North Pole. This is 90 degree South Pole. These are the important lines of latitudes, right? And let's study about its important feature. These lines never touch or cut each other. Each complete lines of latitude is a circle, and equator is parallel that passes through the center of the earth. All parallels are complete circle except your north pole and south. On moving away from equator towards the pole, जो लेंथ होती है पैरेलल की वो घटती रहती है. यहाँ बड़ी यहाँ छोटी हुई, यहाँ उससे बड़ी उससे छोटी उससे छोटी, तो ये करती है डिक्रीज करती है. Now numbering of parallels. So let's study about the numbers. Parallels are measured in degree 0 to 90. The number of parallels we start with the equator and mark it by 0. Parallels are drawn at the interval of 1, and there are 90 of parallels to the north of equator and 90 to the parallel south of the equator, right? So there are 181 parallel in total, and नॉर्थ पोल जो है वो 90 डिग्री एन से रिप्रेजेंट होता है, साउथ पोल 90 डिग्री एस से रिप्रेजेंट होता है. इंपॉर्टेंट पैरेलल्स जो मैंने आपको बता भी दी है, आर्टिक सर्कल, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, कैप्रिकॉर्न एंड अंटार्कटिक सर्कल. Now meridians. These are semicircle lines that join North Pole to South Pole. इनको हम lines of longitude. Latitudes लेटी हुई line, longitudes खड़ी हुई line. Right? Importance क्या है? Each of them has same length. They meet at the two poles and cut all the poles of latitudes lying on their way. Right? So here you can see I have made its diagrammatic representation. I have shown you. Numbering of meridians. Meridian 360 में 180 ईस्ट पे है और 180 आपके वेस्ट में, right? So we have in 1884 we have decided by all the countries that lines of longitude should be numbered from meridian passing through the Greenwich Observatory. जो यहाँ से पास करता है Greenwich Observatory. ठीक है, स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं है, टेढ़ी मेढ़ी है थोड़ी. It's a place which measure what east to west prime meridian. So it's halfway around the globe. ये क्या करती है, हमारी अर्थ को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं, ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर और वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर, right? So the longitude of 180 east and 180 west is same in all the international date line. इट इज नॉट स्ट्रेट बट इट इज zigzag, जिससे हम पॉलिटिकल एंड कंट्री बॉर्डर्स को अवॉइड कर सके. बाय कटिंग नेशंस इनटू हाफ्स वी हैव आईडीएल, that is line of demarcation. What it's defined? Boundary between day and the next one. At the international date line, by an international agreement, each calendar day begins at the midnight. Right? So it would be Saturday just east of it when you cross the international date line, west to east, but we will subtract a day and then we will add a day. Now measuring time. अब हमें time को measure करना है. Longitude helps to measure time. The Earth takes about 24 hours or 1440 minutes to complete one rotation, and it takes 4 minutes to move 1 degree. Right? We have two meridians. इनका difference 4 minutes का होता है. While moving in the east direction from the international date line, we gain time. ठीक है, अगर आप move करोगे east में तो आप gain करोगे. West में तो subtract होगा. Now locating places on the globe. A network is formed by the parallels and meridians on the globe. The network is called grid. और हम grid का use करते हैं places को locate करने में. And to locate the place, we must know the values of its parallels or latitudes. The point at which the parallel and meridian cross each other is the location of the place. जहाँ पे भी cross करेगी, भाई जैसे हमारे पास ये यहाँ पे आपकी meridian crest, तो ये क्या होगा, उस place की location होगी. Right? So, for example, we can find Delhi in the globe where latitude 29 degree north longitude में और 77 degree को cross कर रहा है. We say that position of the globe on the of the Delhi is 29 degree north, 77 east. North में 29 degree है और east में 77 है. Right? So, this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now, we will meet in the next class. Thank you.